Hello dear students, welcome to your online class of maths. So in our previous class we have started division chapter, right? And we have done our first exercise. So today we will be doing the next exercise 1 can 5c. Today we will be doing 1 can 5c. So first question is what? Read the following division statements and complete the table. So here some division facts are given, okay? Division fact, this is called division fact. 28 divided by 4 equal to 7 is the division fact, okay? We have to find out which one is the dividend, that means which number we are dividing, which one is the divisor, that means by which number we are dividing the number, and this one is the quotient, means what is the result comes after dividing this number by this number, okay? So it is given 28 divided by 4 equal to 7. So the number we are dividing is called dividend, okay? And by which we are dividing is called divisor, and the result we are getting is called quotient, okay? So I hope that you have understood. Now let's complete this. Dividend is how much? Dividend is 25, okay? Divisor is how much? 5, and quotient is how much? 5, right? Here also divisor is 42, quotient dividend is 42, divisor is 6, and quotient is 7, okay? Simple. Here dividend is 63, divisor is 7, and quotient is 9. So the table is completed. Now we will be doing 1 can 5d, okay? So what is 1 can 5d? Divide each of the following and write the quotient in the boxes. So earlier in our earlier exercise we have learned that this is called the dividend, this is called the divisor. Now we have to find the quotient, that is the result after dividing. So let's divide it. We will count 4 table, okay? So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. So when is 24 coming in 4 table? If we multiply 4 into 6, then we will get 24. Now what we will do? We will subtract. These two we will subtract. So what we will be getting? 24 minus 24 is what? 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So this is called what? This is, after subtracting, we get, this value is called remainder. Okay? What? Remainder. Okay? So our remainder is 0. Now let's come to next one. 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, right? We will be getting, if we multiply 5 and 9, then we will get 45. So after subtracting 45 minus 45, this one also will get 0. So here also our remainder is 0. This one also same. Count the 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. So we are getting 6 eights are 48. So again 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 4 0. So this will continue like this. Rest of the sums also you will solve it like this, okay? So now let's do question number 2, okay? So in question number 2, what we have to do? We have to just write the quotient in these boxes, in these blank boxes. So how will you do? I have told you that this is dividend, this is divisor. So we will divide the dividend by the divisor. So we'll divide 2 with 2, 20, right? So we can do like this also. With 2 we will divide 20. So 2 ones are 2. Right? This one what we can do? This one is 2. This one is also 2. So these two are equal, same. So we can first of all divide 2 with 2. Right? So 2 ones are 2. Right? So again what we will do? What I have told you? These two we have to subtract. So 2 minus 2, 0. Again this 0 will come here. Okay? This 0 we will bring it down. So this 0 what we will do again? We will put in the upside. So what we get? 2 tens are 20. Actually in 2 table we get 2 tens are 20. So we can do like this also, and you can do directly also. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20. Okay, so you can do it like this also and like this also. If you do it like this, you have to do it in your notebook. Okay, and let's do this one now. 7 divided by 56. So 7 how much ja? 7 8 ja 56, right? 7 8 ja 56. Now we'll subtract it, we'll get remainder 0. So 7 8 ja 56. This one also you can do same. 3 21. So 3 how much ja? 3 sevens are 21. You will count the table and do it. So this will remainder will come 0. So your answer is 7. So the quotient of first one is 10, second one is 8 and third one is 7. Now we'll be doing 1 can 5e. Okay. So first one is divide the following. Okay. All are related to each other. Okay. All the exercises are related to each other. So now let's do this one. What we will do, I have told you before that we will divide this number by this. So we will see here that what is the number. This is 36. So in two table directly we can't count that much to get 36, right? So what we will do here, we will take one by one. So first of all we will take 3. So 3 is greater than 2, right? 3 is greater than 2. So we can first of all divide this only. But if here the number is smaller, then we have to take both the numbers and divide together. Okay. So now let's start. 2 in 3 how much we can do? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 4 is becoming greater than 3 again. We can't put 4 here. We have to take the number which is smaller than this number. Okay. So 2 ones are 2. 2 is smaller than 3. So we can take 2 ones are 2. Now what we will do? We will subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. So again what we will do? This one we will bring it down. So it will become 16. Now 16 we can get in our 2 table. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 eights are 16. So again what we will do? We will subtract it and we will get 0. So 2 18s are 36. Understood? We may not know the table of all the directly we can't do, so we will do one by one. Again come here 4, we'll take this one. 4 ones are 4, we are getting it directly. So 4 ones are 4. Now subtract it. 4 minus 4 0, bring it down. So 8 only here. So again 4 twos are 8. So 4 twos are 8. So again subtract it, we will get 0. Okay. Now this one again. This is greater than this. Okay. So we will take the number in 7 table which will be less than 9. So 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 14 is becoming greater than 9 again. So we will take 7 ones are 7. So 9 minus 7 is how much? 9 minus 7, 2, right? So we are getting 23. So 23 will be the remainder only, since we don't have in 7 table, we don't have any number which is 23. So what we will do again? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Directly we will not get 23, we will be getting 21 which is smaller than 23. We can't take 7 fours are 28 because 28 is greater than 23. So subtract it again. 3 minus 1, 2. So our remainder will be here 2 because 0 will not be coming. If we subtract 3 minus 1, then we are getting 2. So question number 2, you can solve it yourself since it is same as question number 1. So now we will be doing question number 3. Divide and verify the answer for each of the following. First of all, we will divide it. Then we have to verify the result. Is it coming equal? So what we will do here? 4 divided by 49, right? Here also we will do same like before we did. 4 ones are 4, right? So this one what you will do? You will bring it down. So now 4 will, how much will take? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Since 4 threes are is 12 which is greater than 9. So we can't take it. So we will take 4 twos are 8. Now we will subtract it. 9 minus 8 is 1. Right? So now here we have to write quotient is how much? Quotient is, this one is your quotient. So quotient is 12. And as I have told you, this one is your remainder. So remainder equal to 1. Okay. Now what we will do? We will verify. So verification. So how do we verify? verification is dividend. We write dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is your how to verify it. This is the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remember it. So divisor is how much here? With what we are dividing. So 4 and quotient is whatever our answer is coming. So 12 plus remainder is, what is the remainder? 1. So 4 12s are, I hope that you know the table of 12. You must know it. And you can do it like this also. 2 4s are 8. 4 1s are 4. So we get 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So our dividend is what? 49. So it is verified. Right? This one also we can do same. 6 divided by 76. So here 6 1s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 16. Again 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 18 is becoming greater. So we will take 6 2s are 12. So now again 6 minus 2 is 4. So here also your quotient is how much? Quotient is 12 and remainder is 4. Now verify it. Remainder is 4. So verification. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So divisor is how much? Divisor is 6. Quotient is 12 and remainder is 4. Okay. So 6 12s are again 12 6 will be 2 6 are 12. 6 1 are 6. 1 72. So 72 plus 4 will be how much? 76. So we are getting our dividend. That means it is verified. Okay. If we get our dividend after multiplying divisor and quotient, and if we add along with it remainder, then we will get our dividend. That means it is verified. Okay. Like this you can do rest of the sums that is given in your book. So now we will be doing 1 can 5f. Okay. These are 3-digit division. Okay. First of all we have done 1 digit, then 2 digit, now 3 digit. Okay. So now let's do solution. What you will do? 3 divided by 378. You will be doing this one in your notebook, remember. So 3 1s are 3. Like before only, by taking 1 1 we will be proceeding. So 3 minus 3 will be 0 again. Now this one will come here at down. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9 will be greater than 7. So we will not take 9, we will take 6. So 3 multiplies 2 is 6. So 3 2s are 6. Now subtracting 7 minus 6 is 1. Now this will be coming here, right? This is coming here and this will be coming here. So 18. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. So we will be subtracting it again and 0. So here quotient is 126 and remainder is how much? 0. Okay. Now let's do this one. 5 divided by 220. So here you see, here 2 is smaller than 5. I have told you earlier na, if this number is smaller than this, so we can't do with a single number. We can't get 2 in 5 table. Can we get? No. So what we will do? We will take 2 numbers together. So we will take 22. So 5, how much? 5 4s are 20. Since 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 will be greater than 22. So we will not take. So subtracting, how much will get? This one. After subtracting, 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we don't write 0 in the left hand side, remember. 0 we never write in the left hand side. Again what we will do? This one we will bring here. So again 5 4s are 20. Right? So again subtract it, we will get 0. So quotient is quotient is 44, remainder is 0, right? Quotient is 44, remainder is 0. So this one you can do similarly by applying the same method, right? And also you can do number 2. So number 2 will be your task for doing at home. Since we have done this one, number 2 is same like exercise 1.5b, right? We have done verification. After dividing, we have done verification of 2-digit number. Now similarly you will be doing, after dividing you will do the verification of 3-digit number. Okay, your formula will be dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So you will be trying it by yourself and you will be showing. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.